I've been taking a bunch of W's on the Nike sneakers app. So we have a big unboxing for this video. We got a bunch of sneakers to unbox. If you guys love sneaker unboxings and you want to know how to cop more on the Nike sneakers app, make sure you guys hit that thumbs up right now. Hitting that thumbs up really does help the channel grow. It pushes this video out here on YouTube to more people, some more sneakerheads just like you watching, so that more people can interact with the channel. So please guys, take a second, click that like button down below. Also, make sure you guys hit that subscribe button if you love sneakers. So I want to tell you guys how you can increase your chances of copping on the Nike sneakers app. First of all, spend money. Spend money on the Nike sneakers app. It's an algorithm at the end of the day. Spend money on the Nike sneakers app. The next little tip and trick I have for you is actually check out the stories. So right here we have my phone. This is a new story. We'll click on it and just watch them. That's really simple, just like that. Click through them, check them out. There's a bunch of stories on the Nike sneakers app. Do that often. I do it almost every day, and that's how I've been taking some really nice W's on the Nike sneakers app. We do have a big release of the Fragment 3, so hopefully take another nice W on the Nike sneakers app. With that being said, we got some sneakers to unbox. So all of these sneakers, I'm going to do probably full detailed reviews for you guys and everything like that. So make sure you guys stay tuned. I did buy a brand new camera, the Sony a6400. 4K content is coming. I'm just waiting for a little accessory so that we can get the show on the road with the brand new camera. I'm excited. If you guys are excited, let me know down below in the comments. Let me know what sneaker I should really take a look at and review first for you guys. Once again, in 4K content coming very, very soon. So, we do have some sneakers. The first box is actually a pair I couldn't wait to get my hands on. I really wanted to see these in person. I took a W from a Nike restock, actually. These restocked out of nowhere. J23 app. Shout out to J23 app. I did pick these up in a size 10.5. And these are, whew, the Jordan 1 Chicago mids. Yeah, mids. I know. I've never really shown a mid. I think I've shown a mid maybe once or twice on this channel before. These are clean. Very clean. Dope. 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 Very nice, clean sneaker. This is, of course, the Chicago colorway with the white heel. I do want to do a video, if you guys want me to, only if you want it, I want to do a video where I basically customize this white heel and make it red, just like the Chicago's. Jordan Brand, what are you doing? Just give us the Chicago's. But I'm very happy to pick these up. Very clean, very dope. I probably will be keeping a pair. To be honest, I think I will. I think they're clean. Simple as that. You really can't go wrong with them. Nice quality. The leather's pretty soft for a mid. I mean, it's pretty soft leather. I'm happy with them, man. They're very clean. Pick these up for retail from Nike. Awesome, awesome shoe. The next pair of sneakers, I'm going to show you guys right now. Let's get into it. We got, of course, the Just Do It tape. Nike's still doing it, but it is what it is with the tape. Ah, man, I wish Nike would just change up the tape. Give us something different. Man, this is like thief, please steal me action going on. But anyway, let's go ahead and open these up. We do have another Jordan box. I'm hyped for these. Let's see. To be honest, guys, I've been taking so many W's, I kind of don't even know what's here, which is a good thing from the Nike sneakers app. After taking L after L after L for so long, some W's. So we do have a pair size 11, and this is, let's take a look. Oh, okay, another pair. So I did pick up two pairs. We got a 10.5 right here that I just put down there, and we do have another pair as well, size 11. Awesome. Very dope. I'll probably keep the 11 and let go of the 10.5, or maybe do that custom video on the 10.5 if you guys want to see that, where I turn the heel red. Let me know down below in the comments. And I do see the price of them over time probably going up. I really do. For a mid, these will probably be an expensive mid one day. Very nice. I like these better than the black toe pair. There's like a black Chicago pair where it's like black on the toe box. Right, you get I believe a black bottom. I like this pair better. This pair's so much closer to the Chicago's. Once again, Jordan Brand, just give us the Chicago's. I'm going to put this box down. Get to the next sneaker, guys. I'm hyped. We got another W right here. I believe this is actually from this Nike sneakers app this time. The first two pairs were basically just restocks from Nike on Nike.com. So let's take a look. Ooh, I'm excited for these. So this is something new from Nike, Jordan brand. I feel like this might be the future of sneakers, to be honest with you. So we'll take a look at these. I'm hyped to see these, man. In person, I'm very hyped. I've heard really good things about them, so I'm hyped. We do have Move to Zero is Nike's journey towards zero carbon and zero waste to help protect the future of sport. They're on the box, a new box. Cool. And you do have like a recycle logo at the top with a bunch of Nike swooshes. I'm hyped, man. This is not a regular Jordan box, I can tell you that much. Air Jordan 1, size 11. I don't know if I'll be keeping these. Let's take a look. We'll find out together right now. Let's see. Woo! We got the Jordan 1 Crater. Yeah, took a nice W on the Nike Sneakers app. I'm going to pull both of these out this time. And it looks like the laces are off the shoe. Not a big deal. But they do come with some extra laces right there. And this is a pair of sneakers that is literally made of recycled trash. I believe the outsole is, and maybe the entire upper, to be honest with you. It feels like everything's made of trash, recycled trash. So I think that's a really cool concept. And like I said, I think this will be the future of Nike, Jordan brand. I think this is a dope shoe, to be honest. Very clean. Man, these are clean. Very nice. They do have the off-white vibes going around. Of course, with the foam, exposed foam. Nike, well, Zoom Air, I should say, there on the tongue. That bottom, I think that bottom is very sick. Probably my favorite part about the entire sneaker is the bottom. These are dope. You got red stitching on the back. These are clean, man. These are clean. Will I keep them? Maybe. I might have to keep these. These are really dope. This is a Jordan 1 Zoom. A Zoom Jordan 1. So from what I understand, these are supposed to be more comfortable than your regular Jordan 1s. So that's dope. Let me know if you guys took a W or an L on this sneaker when it did drop on the Nike Sneakers app. I'm looking forward, definitely looking forward, to what more Jordan brand and Nike can do with this material, with the recycled material. These are really clean in person. You got the blackout wings logo. These are dope. Definitely a nice shoe in person. So we have another pair of sneakers to take a look at from the Nike Sneakers app as well. Let's get right into this one. I'm excited to see these. Really excited to see these. This is the one I was really looking forward to see them in person. I don't know if I would necessarily wear these, how often I would wear this sneaker. It's not that wearable. This is a dope shoe though. Very excited to take a look at these. I'm having trouble cutting to the box right now. Come on, there we go. So let's take a look. We do have, ooh, you guys can see a special Jordan box right here. Ooh, let's take a look at that. So you guys know this box. We've been getting this box on a bunch of special release Jordans right here. So let's take a look at these. This is another pair, size 11. These are, ooh, gonna be fire. I know. I have not seen these in person yet. This is was a very rare, limited sneaker. Nike decided to, and Jordan brand decided, actually to release it. They did make changes. Let's take a look. Black paper. You got the white. Woohoo! First of all, they reek really good. That new sneaker smell. Wow, let's take both of these out. We have to take a look at these. Definitely need to take a look at these right now, guys. The Oregon Jordan 5. Wow. Wow. Wow, I'm blown away. I really am. These are much better in hand. Pictures don't really do these justice. Guys, the sample of this sneaker is worth so much money. We don't have the Oregon on the back. I wish we did. You know, we had the duck logo. We don't. We do have a little, basically a patch there on the back. The Jumpman on the tongue instead of the O on the tongue. You know, we do have like more of a smoke gray kind of like netting and up here. But those are the main differences. But this is a dope shoe. Clean. Very, very clean. Let me know if you guys took a W on the Oregon Jordan 5. Jordan brand, you really did your thing with these. I wish, of course, we had the logos on them, but we knew they weren't going to give it to us, right? We knew it. So these are very, very dope. Let me know if you guys picked up these 5s. Let me know what you guys think about them. Drop a comment down below. With that being said, I hope you guys enjoyed this huge Nike Sneakers W unboxing. Guys, I'm telling you, try more on the Nike Sneakers app. Be more active on the Nike Sneakers app. Make purchases on the Nike Sneakers app. You might wind up taking more W's. So I do want to tell you guys how this wound up happening, how I got back-to-back W's on back-to-back releases, because the 5s as well as the, where are they? The Crater Jordan 1s did release back-to-back days. I took back-to-back W's. So I want to tell you guys how I did that. Basically, the restock on the Chicago ones, the mid-tops, the white heel, I wound up copying 2 pairs on a restock. The very next day, we had, I believe, this release, and then the day after that, I believe this released. I got all of them. So I spent money, and I guess my account is now active again, and I took some nice W's. So guys, check out the stories, make some purchases on the Sneakers app, and you might wind up taking some more W's for some awesome shoes like these, the fragments that I'm releasing. Let me know if you guys picked up any of these sneakers that you saw in this video. Please make sure you guys take a second, click that like button down below. Also, make sure you guys hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to give me a follow on Instagram. I'm about to hit 10,000 followers on Instagram, so please guys, get me to 10K. We're just a few hundred away. Make sure you guys follow me on Instagram, and stay tuned. We got the new upgrade, baby. We upgraded. Sony 4K. I'm excited. So make sure you guys stay tuned to the channel. Rock with me. I hope you guys do. Stick around. Let me know what you guys think about the pickups. Let me know what was your favorite pickup in this video. With that being said, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, hit that like button. Make sure you guys hit that subscribe button. I do want to thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you guys join the More family. Hit that subscribe button. Smash that like button. We're always on the grind. We're never gonna stop. We're always dropping that fire. Straight fire. Thank you guys so much for watching. We out.